guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to open this box of Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu with all of these things you see here. So let's open it. Oof. Okay, so now that we open it, we have lots and lots of things in it. First we have this, the two Joy-Cons with the whole Nintendo screen. I'll put that here. We have the Joy-Con for the Eevee one, the brown one. And we have the Joy-Con for the Pikachu one, the yellow one. We have the Pokeball Plus here, Pokeball Plus. We have this thing that we can put our my Nintendo in and charge it. I'll put that here. We have a charger. The charger's base. And we also have Let's Go Pikachu manual. This thing in bubble wrap. You can put your Nintendo in this place, and it has Pikachu and Eevee on it. And lastly, we have a little cord that I don't know what it is for. So, yeah, that's pretty much all that we have in the Nintendo Pikachu and Eevee box. This is pretty much a good game bundle, limited on time. You can only buy it at EB Games. And it comes with all of these things if you didn't see. This thing that you can put your Nintendo in. This little charger plug-in thing, I don't know what it is. The Pokeball Plus, if you press that, it'll light up. Two Joy-Cons, Pikachu's Joy-Con, Eevee's Joy-Con, and the screen. This thing that you can put the Joy-Cons in. These that you have to attach to the Joy-Cons. This charger, and this base charger. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.